Greetings, knife enthusiasts. This is Knife Detector again, coming to you with another cool knife find. Hope you guys are having a blessed Friday evening. So, I came across this knife as part of a knife bundle that I bought, and this is a stainless steel Geo Schrade knife company. So I guess this is part of the Schrade knife company, but this is much older. Now this knife operates as a friction lock, and this is not one of the bigger ones. They make some bigger ones also. Perfect for taking out camping as part of a camping utensil set. It's very durable. I'm not sure about the age of this particular knife, but I would guess that this is around 50 years old or more. Here we have a can opener as well, and as you can see, this blade has been sharpened, and it's a small, about 1.5 or 2-inch blade, and but it's a good looking knife that has withstood the test of time. So let me show you what it looks like closed. So it's a very simple mechanism to open and close this knife. It's like a friction type mechanism, and you can have this in your pocket while you're walking down in the campsite, or you can have this also in your home, because I'm going to put this up for sale in my website, and I start my prices pretty low. So if you're interested, click on my eBay link at the top of my homepage, and it'll take you straight to my eBay site, and it'll tell you what I have for sale. But I want to give you also a very good view of this knife. It's a handy little knife to have. You got your bottle opener. It's good to take to a party at home. Now the blade has been sharpened, but this is a very old knife. So when you get this, you buy it with the understanding that it's been loved and it's been used, and it can still be loved a little more. So that being said, this is Knife Detector signing off, saying have a blessed and wonderful evening, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and as always, share.